The first time I met him, wala akong naramdamang kakaiba. He was quiet, polite, and distant. The type of person you wouldn't look at twice. But sometimes, ang mga taong hindi mo pinapansin, sila pala yung magiging pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit ka masasaktan. He was my sister's boyfriend. Mabait, responsable. At kitang-kita ko kung paano siya pasayahin ng ate ko. And because of that, never ko hinayaang pumasok sa isip ko na pwede ko siyang magustuhan. But life doesn't ask permission. It just happens. Isang gabi, pauwi kami galing sa family dinner, umulan ng biglaan. My sister ran ahead pero ako, naiwan na may dalang mabibigat na bags. Tahimik siyang bumalik para tulungan ako. Baka mabasa ka, sabi niya. At inilapit niya sa akin ang payong. Simple lang, pero bakit ganun? Bakit parang dun nagsimulang pumintig ang puso ko? Sinubukan kong iwasan. Pero lalo siyang naging mabait, lalo siyang naging present. At unti-unti, he started seeing the parts of me na hindi napapansin ng kahit sino. One afternoon, habang hinihintay namin si ate, he looked at me. Hindi bilang kapatid ng girlfriend niya, hindi bilang family friend, kundi bilang isang babaeng hindi niya dapat tinitingnan. I'm sorry, Pulongnia. I'm not supposed to look at you this way. At sa unang pagkakataon, hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong umatras o huminga. Sinabi ko, we can't feel anything, not even by accident. Ngumiti siya, malungkot, parang pilit niyang kinakaya ang bigat na hindi niya masabi. I know, sagot niya. But sometimes, the heart doesn't listen. Simula noon, pareho kaming lumayo. Pero the more we avoided each other, the more the world kept pulling us back together. Hanggang isang araw, my sister announced something. They were breaking up. Tahimik lang ako, pero siya, he looked broken in a way I'd never seen. After they separated, he stopped coming to our house. Wala nang tawag, wala nang message. Parang nawala siya sa mundo ko ng biglaan. I thought that was the end of our story. Yung storyang hindi man lang dapat nagsimula. Pero months later, habang naglalakad ako pa uwi, may nakita akong nakatayo sa may harap ng bahay. Siya, same eyes, same quiet sadness. Same unspoken words. Are you okay? Tanong ko. He shook his head. I tried to stay away, but you were the one person I couldn't forget. My heart stopped. I didn't know what to say. Hindi na kami, sabi niya. And I'm not here to ask for anything from you. He stepped closer, pero may tamang distansya pa rin. Respectful, careful. I just wanted to tell you this once, Pulongnia, before he finally looked me in the eyes. You were the person I loved quietly, even when I wasn't allowed to. I froze. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong umiyak or umumiti, pero bago ako makasagot, umalis na siya. Walang hiningi, walang pinilit. Walang iniwan kundi ang katotohanang matagal ko nang nararamdaman. Forbidden love isn't about ending up together. It's about the person na dumating sa maling oras, pero nag-iwan ng tamang aral. Minsan, may mga tao talagang hindi naging atin, pero sila ang nagturo sa atin kung gaano kalalim ang puso natin magmahal.